So hey everyone, welcome back to another quick and very interesting tutorial. Where in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how you can fix the issue if your Premiere Pro is stuck on update process. Now in order to get that fixed, just simply clear the cache of the application without opening it. Just simply press Windows plus R key on your keyboard. Inside here you need to type percent app data percent. Inside this folder you need to go to this folder of Adobe, and here you'll find all the data that is related to Premiere Pro, or you may find the folder for Premiere Pro specifically only. So just simply delete that specific folder. In my case it's Adobe only, so I'll just simply delete this folder. Now once I do it and I start the Premiere Pro, it will start normally, and the update will start from the beginning. And don't worry, this will not let your any data delete. Alright, so that's it for this tutorial. I hope this video will be helpful for you. Make sure to hit the like button and subscribe button for more such helpful and interesting tutorials. See you in the next one. Take care.